Quick attach hardware for a fast and secure installation. Quick release hinges allow the seats to be easily removed for cleaning. Fits elongated, 1 and 2-piece toilets. Versatile design that complements the design lines of many toilets. Made of compression molded wood, provides a look and feel that cannot be achieved with other seat materials. This Stonewood toilet seat offers a versatile design that complements many bathroom styles. Compatible with most elongated 1 or 2-piece toilets, the compression molded wood seat provides a substantial look and feel. This Q2 Advantage seat features innovative technology that makes it easy to install and clean. Top reviews from the United States. Kohler makes quality products. I bought 3 of these to replace our old ones. I am a grandma and was able to install all 3 seats by myself. Simple and easy diagram. I chose this lid rather than the self-closing type because of reviews where they quit working after a while. As long as I am strong enough to close a toilet lid, these are a no-brainer. They are great quality compared to the ones I saw at the big box stores. Kohler makes great products.